Hello members of the Northwest Montana Association of Realtors. Dale Anderson here, and guess what? I've been invited back to Kalispell. I can't believe it. I'm so freaking excited. September 26th, we're going to do something a little different this year. We're going to talk about this new training that I put together. It's called Terrifying Realities in the Realty World. Yeah, it's basically 2 interviews with 2 rock star real estate agents that I've met in the last couple years. One of them was violently attacked in Las Vegas last year. We get her full story. She tells us everything. It's amazing. It's a heavy interview. We're going to watch that interview. We're going to discuss it before, watch it, and then we're going to discuss it in detail afterwards. We have her permission to do this. The second one is a young lady in Park City. She had 2 different kinds of instances happen in her real estate career, and they're probably more common. Not as scary, but still very scary. And I think there's something that's similar to what could happen more often in everyday realtor life. So we're going to talk about that too. It takes about 3.5, 4 hours. We're going to also, if we have time, we're going to throw in some drug recognition, because I want to give you some ideas about what to see when you're looking at someone that might be high on some kind of controlled substance, to help you maybe make a decision. Maybe I should or shouldn't be here today. Then we'll take a lunch around 1 o'clock. We'll come back and we're going to do about 2 hours of hands-on techniques. Just some simple, basic strikes, kicks, punches, knees, everything you've got on you right now to help fight back and defend yourself. And if we have time at the end, I'm going to show you these 2 really cool super techniques that everybody needs to know. Again, Dale Anderson, September 26th. We're starting at 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'd love to see you there. I promise you we're going to have fun. Thank you.